What is up, guys? Welcome back into the channel. So that noise behind me is Dad operating the winch because we are towing the 98 here to go get looked at. I'm not sure what's wrong with it, what the issue is. I've had a couple guys tell me that it was the anti-theft control module, which is this box here. It sits like right up under here. So we tore all the dash apart last night to see if that was the issue. That was not. It's something fuel related because you go to crank over and it cranks for about 3 to 5 seconds, and then right when you go to crank over and put your foot on the gas, it just cranks and cranks and cranks and cranks. So not sure what the deal is, but we're gonna go ahead and get this loaded up. Figured I'd bring you guys along real quick. We're just gonna hook it straight onto the rear bumper here, drag it up backwards. This is the first time Dad's using his truck to tow other than us just putting round bales on it. So I'm guessing he's probably a little excited to see how this thing goes. Have you even used your truck to tow the camper yet?
Just around the block to see if my leveling kit was adjusted right. So
yeah, this will be the first true test to Dad's truck towing. We yanked the battery out of the 79 to operate the winch. Dad's like, you probably could have just pulled right around the side of the trailer there and could have worked. But the only bad thing is I don't have a parking brake on this because we cut it. So it possibly could have went rolling backwards. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and get this thing hooked up and hopefully get it winched up onto the trailer.
Ryan Little.
She's loaded there. I didn't get a full time lapse. You're good, Dad? Just because of sorry for that. Just because there's gonna be like a 25-minute time lapse just because the winch would like go and then stop and go and stop. But we're gonna get it towed over there now. Everything's chain tight. Yeah, so hopefully it's nothing major, I should say. Hopefully it's just a simple fix. Fingers crossed, but I guess we'll find out. So stay tuned, guys, and I'll pick you up when we get over there. So guys, the 98's unloaded. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not in the mirror. I guess you can. I'm not gonna show too much of the guy's house just because of privacy and stuff. But thank you to Dad for letting me use his truck and stuff. Hopefully, like I said, it's a simple fix. I don't know how long he's gonna have it. But yeah, did everything well. Dad's truck handled well, trailer did good. So it's over here, and then we'll see what he finds out and how bad the damage is, so stay tuned, guys.